Hello student, good morning to all of you. Welcome to online class. I hope you are fine. Student, now I will teach a new topic, mixture. You know student, mixture? In the last video we have already discussed about the two type of things. One is the pure substance, other is the mixture. In the pure substance, element and compound. So question is, what is the mixture? Student, if two or more substance mixed together in any ratio, any proportion, is known as mixture, and it becomes not chemically bonded. What is the meaning of chemically bonded? Suppose the student, water made by the hydrogen and oxygen. Yes. Hydrogen is the highly combustible gas and oxygen support the combustion. But when both become joined together form the water, H2O formed by the hydrogen and oxygen, it becomes chemically bonded. Why? Because at the one time hydrogen and oxygen form the water, it is possible to separate by any physical means, like by hand picking or by sieving or winnowing. It is possible? No. So the chemically bonded. But suppose that if you take pulse, pulse, and you add some stone, so it is very easy to separate the stone from the pulse or stone from the rice. Yes, by how? By hand picking. Like floor, wet floor. If you want to separate the chaff from the floor, how we going to separate? With the help of sieve. Why? Because such chaff become not bonded with the floor with chemically. Okay. So student, mixture, if any two or more substance mixed up together in any ratio, any proportion, is known as the mixture. The mixture, their constituent become not mixed up together, not bond together by chemical bond. Okay. So student, mixture are the two types. One is the heterogeneous mixture, other one is the homogeneous mixture. Hetero, their name is the clear. Hetero means a mixture in which their various components are mixed together. But it becomes not mixed uniformly. See, a mixture in which various constituents are not mixed uniformly is called heterogeneous mixture. Means easily able to see. Suppose that if you take one plate, such plate consists the sand and the iron, or sand and the flour, or sand and the wheat. You take some wheat and mix up in the sand. So question is, we easily able to see where is the sand, where is the wheat? Yes or no? And some places sand is more, some places wheat is more. क्या होगा? अगर आप मान लिया आपने गेहूं और आपने बालू को मिला दिया तो क्या होगा? बालू में गेहूं मिल जाएगा. बट इन द सम प्लेसेस wheat, कहीं पे गेहूं ज्यादा होगा, कहीं पे बालू ज्यादा होगा. Clear? So this is the heterogeneous. Means they become not mixed up uniformly. See, example, mixture of sand and salt. If you want to easily separate salt and sand. Other one, like salt and sulfur. Salt is the white color, sulfur is the yellow color. Easily able to separate. Okay, so this is the heterogeneous mixture. Clear? Suppose that iron and sulfur, iron powder, sulfur powder, it becomes mixed up together. It is the homogeneous, heterogeneous, because iron is the black color and our sulfur is the yellow color. We easily able to separate. We easily able to see with our naked eye. Clear? So it's the heterogeneous mixture. Other one is the homogeneous. What is the homogeneous? A mixture in which two or more substances mix up together uniformly and we become not able to separate easily. Okay, become not able to separate easily is known as the homogeneous mixture. If you remember, in homogeneous we become not able to see their all constituent. In homogeneous mixture, we become not able to see their all constituent. Example, suppose the student, you take two glass, one glass, in the both glass you take water. Okay, in the first glass you add 1 spoon salt and mix it together. Question is, after 5 minutes when salt becomes dissolved in the water, so student, after dissolving, question is how we can identify that which glass contain salt. हम कैसे पता लगाएंगे किस ग्लास में नमक मिला हुआ है? How? Because both are transparent. How we can identify? Or by test or by evaporation. Clear? So in the homogeneous mixture, we become not able to see their all constituent. Means when the salt dissolve in the water, then salt becomes dissolved in the water, we are able to see only the water constituent. We are not able to see the salt constituent. Okay, and it become mixed up uniformly. ये क्या होता है? चारों तरफ एक तरह से फैला होता है. Suppose that if you take one plate and pour the solution of salt and water, okay, एक प्लेट में क्या किया? उसको डाल दिया. And after that you take a few drop of water from any side, from front side, from back, any side you take, you got the same taste. So this is the homogeneous. This is the homogeneous. Like example, like salt and water solution, sugar and water solution. Okay, these are the homogeneous. And heterogeneous, like water and sand, because sand becomes settled on the base. Okay, sand water, and after that mud water, chalk powder and water. These are the heterogeneous. Clear? So student, what is the characteristics? What is the property of the mixture? So student, first property, variable composition. Student, in the mixture, their ratio are fixed. Suppose in the water, see, H2O means when two hydrogen and one oxygen join together, it forms the water molecule. But question is, in the mixture, it is their composition are fixed? No. Suppose that in the tea, if you want, then you add 1 spoon sugar. If you want to add the 2 spoon sugar, if you want to add the 3 spoon sugar, it depends on your mix. Means their composition are different. Second, physical change. Student, the mixture, what we get after mix up, what we get, it is the physical change. It become not bind together chemically. It become not bind to chemically. Suppose that air is a mixture of different gases, oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, carbon dioxide. That's why our lungs only get oxygen from the atmosphere. Clear? No specific property. Student, the mixture has no specific property. Their property are the average of their constituent. Suppose that if you take 1 spoon salt taste. Other one you take 1 spoon sugar, it's a sweet taste. But if become mixed together, दोनों को मिला दो, तो how to get the taste? You get some salty taste, you get some sweet taste. Means their property is the average property of their constituent. Clear? Homogeneity. Student, maximum mixture are the heterogeneous. Means we able to see their all constituent. We able to see their all constituent, and we easily separate by physical means, like by hand picking. Okay, like by hand picking, by sieving, and some homogeneous mixture also become separate by the different process, like a sublimation process and the evaporation process, distillation process. We able to separate. Clear? Separation. See, student, homogeneous in the mixture or the heterogeneous mixture. Student, we easily separate. Suppose that iron powder and sulfur powder. It become mixed up together. Question is how become separate? How become separate? Become separate by the magnet. You take one bowl, add the mixture of iron and sulfur, mix up together. How become separate iron? We take one magnet, bars of magnet around in the mixture. क्या करेंगे? उसको राउंड करें. The result, all the magnet particle stuck by the magnet, and we get the sulfur. Yes. Energy change. Student, in the mixture, no energy release or no energy absorbed in such process. In the physical process or in the when they become form the mixture, no energy release or no energy become absorbed. Suppose that if you add 1 spoon salt and 1 spoon sugar, energy become released? No need energy. Energy not released, not absorbed. Okay, student. So these are the some property of the mixture, homogeneous and heterogeneous. So the next topic we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.